We are in the home stretch. Section 6, Routing and Port Binding. It's time to logically route these calls through the system so traffic actually flows exactly where we want it to go.
If you're bringing in outside analog lines to your PBX using FXO ports, you've got to configure port binding. Over on the gateway's trunk settings, select your FXO port and flip the inbound handle dropdown over to binding. Then just specify the binding number. We'll use 888 here. What this does is effectively grab any call coming in on that physical copper line and slaps an 888 label on it so the PBX knows exactly how to handle it.
Now we need some strict routing rules to safely ferry those calls from the legacy analog side over to the IP side. Under the routing table, you write a super simple command. It goes like this: FXS 888 root IP, followed by your PBX's IP address. It's literal instruction. It tells the system, hey, if you see a call labeled 888 coming from the analog side, route it via IP straight over to the PBX. It is incredibly straightforward once you get the syntax.
Now let's catch that routed call on the PBX side. We create a virtual IP trunk on the REX by selecting peer trunk and punching in the gateway's IP along with that same 888 number. They are now officially securely linked. Then we define our outbound dialing rules. You can tell the system, okay, if a user dials a prefix of 9, route the call sequentially out the analog trunk. If they dial 7, send it out the IP trunk. You're completely in the driver's seat of your call traffic now.
All right, we've tackled the physical wiring, the bulk extensions, the analog integration, and the routing. Prepare yourselves for the absolute most satisfying part of any IT admin's day, verifying that it actually worked.
When you navigate to call status on the gateway, seeing those words register success across the board, that means your credentials matched perfectly. And if you pop open the system status logs, you are hunting for that beautiful, glorious phrase, response 200. In the SIP protocol, 200 just means okay. It means flawless communication. Your deployment is officially bulletproof. The hardware is talking to the software, the legacy stuff is talking to the future. So with this incredibly solid, scalable foundation now perfectly set up in your Redstone PBS, what advanced VoIP features are you going to build next?